Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC AGON Q27G4X gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has introduced the AGON Q27G4X, a 27-inch gaming monitor, boasting a 2K 180Hz panel and priced at €229.99. The monitor is not yet available for purchase, but friend, it featuring a Fast IPS QHD panel with a 1 millisecond G2G response speed, and it offers a resolution of 2560 by 1440 HDR10 support, 10-bit color depth and a screen PPI of 109. Designed with an angular appearance and compact stand base, the monitor emphasizes specific attributes and facilitating operations like rotation, height adjustment and tilt. Additionally, it offers an optional VESA mount for increased versatility, and pricing it sits at $269. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.